So hello guys, myself Dinesh, and I'm on behalf of Team IGC. Will take you guys through complete course details of our May batch. Okay, so this May batch is going to be online batch. Okay, and at IGC this year there is no offline classes. We have only online classes, and we have observed our online classes are equally good or better than our offline classes, what we were taking earlier before pandemic. Yeah, so we will go through course detail. Okay, so you guys can see here, I'll explain everything, so there should not be any doubt regarding. So the course type of batch, it's like not particular to weekdays or weekends, it's a combined batch where we have classes 4 to 5 days in a week. Like we have classes on weekdays also and weekends also. Now teaching us like weekdays we will be having classes like Tuesday to Thursday, and timing will be around 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. But now Anil, can you join back if you are not able to see? Because I think others are able to see. So here you guys can see the timing will be 8:50 p.m. to 10:50 p.m. on weekdays, and Saturday it is 5:50 p.m. to 10:50 p.m. and Sunday it will be 9:30 a.m. to maximum up to 3 p.m. So these are the timings. Okay, now the media of teaching is pure English. Okay, that is also important because some people ask, how do you teach? So neither we use Hindi, neither we use English. We teach only in basic English. Okay, so because since we all study engineering in English medium as well as we are a South India based institute, so uh, we teach only in English. Yeah, I think, am I audible to others?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir, you are audible.
yeah. Thank you, guys. So now the total duration of this course is 500 hours around, and it will be from May 1st. It's a commencement day till December mid around. Okay, and we are known to complete syllabus on time. IGS is always known to complete syllabus on time, so don't worry, guys. And we are going to complete syllabus properly one time, like not promising like 3 times and all, because we know 4 years of engineering. Yeah, this is 4 years of engineering, right? Gate syllabus. It takes its own time when you want to learn properly in depth. So the one thing which we do, we complete syllabus on time and thoroughly. Okay. And since some people want to have revision, then anyway we provide recording of live classes, so people can revisit. And once syllabus is done, we will have problem practice classes and out classes throughout, like at least till mid of January. Okay. So this is about this. Now course feature, classes are strictly live interactive class. You guys can ask any doubts in between, before, in between or after class. Or in non-class hours also we have doubt support through online medias like WhatsApp and Telegram. Currently we are using less, but WhatsApp groups are very interactive group that I just. You will also find the recording of live classes if you miss any class or you want to recap your class. Okay, but only one thing, the promise of this course is, promise of this online coaching is not recorded classes. It's a purely live interactive classes. These recorded classes are like, bonanza we are giving with live classes, because usually If you find other institute, either they are recorded classes institute or only live classes they are providing, and they charge extra for recordings. So we don't do that. In the same fee, you will get both. But the promise is first live interactive classes. Then, as I mentioned, all the topics will be covered, either it is technical or non-technical. Study material, of course, it is provided, but it is provided in e-form. Because at IGC, we don't believe giving so many books which you may not use that effectively, instead providing e-form of material. Because if you ask any gate topper, you have to, prepare your own notes using multiple sources, our classes, our study material, or our class notes, or reference books, NPTR, like that. So if you prepare your own notes, then there is no use of buying, hard copy materials from any institute. That's what we say. Okay. Then you get topic-wise assignments in e-form for self-practice. Lot many assignments are there, and those assignments are unique assignments. Previous year's questions are not involved in those assignments, so you get bit lengthy and more conceptual questions. And then we have online exams throughout year. So first we will have topic wise exams, okay, till GATE syllabus is completed, mostly till November end. Topic wise exams, and then once topic wise exams are over, we have plenty of topic wise exams, and you will find unique questions in those as well, not taken either from previous year's paper or from our assignments. So we have all three sets of practice things like previous year's paper. Of course, those are available to everyone. Then assignments are separate, and then online exams. Now there is a doubt how frequently online exams are taken, right? That is the doubt. That exams are taken once like a particular topic is over. If you take my subject SOM, so SOM have many topics, or you take engineering mathematics. So you have calculus. In calculus, there are two parts, differential calculus, integral calculus. So we have exam for both. You take linear algebra, there is one exam. You take numerical method, there is an exam. So is it clear, Uday? It depends on the once topic is over, exam will get you. Okay. So this point is clear. And there are always, once one subject is over, there will be doubt and problem solving class in between course as well as at the end of the courses. And as told, fee is 28K for GATE 2023. Yeah, some concessions are applicable based on the merit of the students. Yeah. So any doubt in this? Yeah, we also provide books in e-form, technical and non-technical books. Okay, through a separate drive. Yes, what is e-form for the study material? E-form means PDFs. We don't give hard copy material to anyone. Not just for online, in offline classes also we were not, providing hard copy materials, because we understand it is like creating so much of stationery is not that fruitful. So any doubt in this course details, guys? Anyone? Can we move ahead? That is what I told. The revision is like that. See, we teach well, Tangamutu. We teach everything in depth. We start with engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics. Understand? So it takes its own time to complete syllabus. So our first priority to teach everything in a depth. Then, since recording is also provided, so if you want to revisit, and anytime you can revisit. That's one thing. But from our side, revision happens through problem practice classes. Not like teaching all the formulas, everything again. We want to be very clear. You guys might have heard concept through question, kind of approach. So that kind of revision we do. Does weekly earning starts at the, yeah, from beginning itself? Yes, Anil. Like after 2 weeks of classes, exams will start getting due. Yeah, concession on fees merit basis. Yes, that part is simple. Like you, if you are gate qualified already or you are class toppers, then some concession is there. Are there any WhatsApp group for separate classes? Yes, we have groups which are basically subject-wise group, like aerodynamics, propulsion, structures, mathematics. IGC is known for that. I'll show some of the glimpses. Classes will be, very, uh, groups are very active. I was just worried we might forget what was taught. That worry is you have to put more efforts on revision. Other we are putting efforts. See, our efforts will not bring you a result. Okay, revision you have to revise, keep revising formulas. If you are having doubts, again revisit class, and then definitely we take doubt classes, problem practice classes. You can ask anyone. See, I am again saying it's a 4 years of course which has to be done within few months. So guys, uh, don't think like someone saying I am completing 3 time syllabus. It's a good approach. No, that is not good approach. Guidance is there, no? As I'm saying, we have the regular doubt classes once syllabus is the timing fixed or no? Timings are fixed now. Earlier we took from 9, then we thought 8:30, but 8:30 also many have dinner time, especially college guys. Okay, so the timing will be 8:50. It's a fixed one. Yeah, classes like for lecture recordings, do you have software? I will explain everything. We have our own platform to teach. Not this WebEx is just used for demo class. It's not the platform where we take live classes and you get the recording of live class. We have separate uh, syllabus on there. I told na mid-December. Okay. So the class ends today 10:50 p.m. When will we get recording? Maybe next day morning, mostly. But again, I am saying this course is promised only online class. Okay, uh, recording is a bonanza. Okay, considering limitations like we cannot take classes again and again. So Tangamotu, I'm clearly saying recording will be provided, but it's a bonanza. It's not promise of the course. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubt or concern? Okay. Hopefully no. So let's move to next. Yeah. So the next important part at IGC is what team IGC. So guys, we are the only institute in India for GATE Aerospace, which is a team-based institute. Okay, it's a team-based institute. So you will see here there are multiple teachers, and for single subjects also we have multiple team members. So they will teach you guys, and since it's a team support, so you guys understand the value of team, right? We have very well defined team. Teaching is starting from engineering mechanics to your thin walled structures, or basic fluid mechanics to your flight mechanics, or thermodynamics to your propulsion. So everything will be taught. Pranav, no, we don't have any such promises. Okay, you qualify and then we will pay you back and all. Don't do any promises. If we provide discount, we provide now itself. Okay. So if you get once good results, of course, some rewards are there for top 10 rankers. Okay. Our fee itself is less, right, Pranav? What is the fee, highest fee taken by any institute in India for GATE Aerospace? Can anyone tell? 38K. I heard 46K, right?
45K, sir.
45K, right?
Yes, sir.
And then what is our fee?
28.
Then we almost take half of the fee. Okay, and what is the now from last 2 years? Who get best result in India for GATE Aerospace? You guys can tell. You guys might have checked, right? Every detail is shared here. Frankly, GATE Academy is getting best result. Which GATE Academy? May I know your name, prodigious? So, have you seen the result of last year and this year, Mr. Whoever is saying that? There is no GATE Academy Institute for GATE Aerospace. Okay, there is something, but IGC from last 2 years getting 36 people in top 100, and all the results are authentic result, no manipulation. And the another thing, you guys can ask them if you find that person, how IGC support them, at least anybody, in fact even test series student. Okay, how with the heart we support for their progress. Okay, so you check your data back, Mr. Prodigious. Okay. Yeah. No, so fine. People take their own, uh, what they call it, fee, but we take our own fee structure we have, and it's a 28K maximum. And in that also we provide case to case, some relaxation. Fine. So, and another thing you will not find fee, leave fee part. We have so many team members. All of them are experienced teachers and associated with IGC from long. In fact, from our inception. So we started our basical institute in 2016 August. Okay, 2016 August. We started IGC. Okay, and first year in 2017 GATE, IGC result was 0. And from 0 in 2021, we got 36 people in top 100. So it's a all team effort. Okay. 0 result to 36, including AR 1, 2, 3 supported by IGC very well. Okay. So that's a teamwork which I always say. And at IGC, one thing which we find always, IGC student never join anywhere if they have taken any time support from IGC, and they will be connected with IGC forever. You guys have seen our alumni support. You guys have seen or not? We can invite any of our alumni anytime, okay, to support you guys or to guide you guys, or if you prepare for any interview, either for HL, NL, ISRO, or anywhere, we have people everywhere now. Okay, so that is the strength of IGC. No, actually, Uday, see, the regular classes will have both theory also, and we solve more of previous year's questions in those classes. Okay, uh, clear Uday? And then we will have separate problem practice classes. No, there is no offline batches. We don't want to take offline classes, at least as soon. There is no requirement because classes are very interactive. We keep classes very simple. No 3D, 2D, or what we call this kind of pendulum is vibrating, and those things we don't do. Not required. Okay, like what we call, sometimes people call it like animations and all. So those things we don't do. We will ask you any whatever doubts you have. Our all team members are very friendly. You can ask any doubt during class, after class, in non-class hours also. You can share any doubts. You'll get response. Okay. So that's all on this part. So let's move quickly to next part. Because Nitin sir is joining, so I'll try to finish as early my part. Yeah, so this is about team. Now let's move to next part. Yeah. So this is how we are going to complete the whole syllabus over the time. So we are going to start from May month these subjects, basically engineering mathematics, and then engineering mechanics, and after some time we'll be starting fluid mechanics, okay, at the end of the engineering mechanics done. And then once like fluid basics are done, then we will be studying aerodynamics and then solid mechanics, okay. And then from July usually we start first thermo, and after thermo GD will be taken. And since once like solid mechanics progresses well, at the end of the July, like solid mechanics is the most important subject, and it has a huge weightage. And in GATE 2022, the highest number of the question were asked from solid mechanics. Okay, around 14 marks. No, no. See, mathematics will be done initially, but the aptitude for May batch will be taken at the end. Yes, Akash, we will give the book suggestions, everything we will share. Okay. So mathematics will be taught at the starting, but this will be taken, aptitude will be taken at the end for May batch. Then once like thermo basics done, then gas dynamics, and once gas dynamics done, we teach jet propulsion, and like once aerodynamics part is done, we start aircraft performance and then aircraft stability we teach, and once aircraft structure is done, then mechanical vibration will be taught. And then at the end, the subjects which is like small subjects, rocket propulsion and space dynamics will be taught. And that the end in December, aptitude will be done. Yeah, your working people are joined in. Yeah, suggestion we will discuss those parts separately. Those who are working professional, yes, at IGC people join every year. Those who are working and they get result also. In fact, this year, AER 14, AER 14 was working professional. Okay, in fact, he has 6 years of working experience. Okay, but he has done BTech from IIT Bombay. Okay, so the entire math will be no. It is not like that. Should be we teach multiple subjects parallel. Mathematics will take its own time. It may go till July month. It take minimum 2 months time. We teach around 60 hours mathematics, so it takes around 2 months of time. So any other doubt on this part? Okay, hopefully no doubts. Can we move ahead? Yeah, so let's move quickly next. Yeah, so these are the links where you can find sample work, and I hope you all have gone through these links. So sample study material, sample assignments, sample online exams. You guys can watch sample videos on our YouTube channel. So you guys go through these, and these are the exams listed over here. This list will be further modified, okay, this year, and we may include or change some of the exams. So you can see for every subjects there are topic-wise exams. and you can see there are many topic-wise exams, and around 50 plus topic-wise exams are there. So these exams will run, throughout your course, and will go till November end. So after November, you will see first subject will exams will start in December month. Okay, so for every subject we are taking one exam, subject exam, and then we have module-wise exams. What is the module-wise exams means? You have the aptitude mathematics module exam like aero propulsion. These are related subject. There is one exam. Then aircraft structures part have one exam, and this flight mechanics and space dynamics part there is one exam. Then there are 10 exams listed here, but we may increase to more. So total 12 full-length exams will take. For GATE 2023, there is a plan to take 12 full-length exam in January month. Clear? Because there was a big change of pattern. Yeah, probability and statistics are not included in mathematics test series. It is earlier days that was not in syllabus in GATE Aerospace, so it may not mention, but we have exam. We have an exam for probability and statistics that has to be included because this was not in our syllabus earlier in mathematics, but indirectly it was there in aptitude probability. We will do, as I already told, that list will be changed. Okay, bit of. So this is about exam part. Now you guys can see some people were saying, do we have doubt groups? So you can say these are our doubt groups and very vibrant doubt groups. You can ask any doubts. It will be either addressed by fellow students or team member as well. Yeah, so doubts groups, you can see we have basic subject doubt group also, structures, post-gate guidance also, very vibrant post-gate guidance IGC provide. And these are the results. So this is GATE 2022 results. You can see these many people in top 50, in top 60, and these are in top 100. And then so in top 120, 40 students are from IGC supported. And this is the GATE 2021 result. So you can see this is the best result. Like I felt very good after getting this result. In fact, in GATE 2022, I'm not that happy. We should have got more people. Definitely, we will work hard. Target was to get 50 people in top 100. We couldn't achieve due to they changed the pattern, and also some mechanical people also got in top 100. Some third year students also got in top 100. You can see this guy, he's a third year student. Like still he will take 1 year to complete engineering from IGC class student. So he got AR 59. So he's the Bhavesh Srivastava from HITS Chennai, Hindustan College Chennai. So those who are from Hindustan College, they can check with him how good efforts he have put. In fact, AR2, I heard this year he was also third year student. So it's all possible. If you put effort, definitely you can get a rank. Yeah. So one subject at a time. No, we don't do that. One subject at a time. In a week, we will teach multiple subjects, like 2 or 3 subjects. So that will take your interest up. And even if you miss one class, it is not going to harm you. Like we don't teach like that 1 month subjects. Yeah. So this is result 2021, fabulous result. And these are the recent our IGC students who got in PSU. So in last year HL 2021 post, there were total 5 posts. Out of 5, 2 are IGC students who got in a final list and they joined HL. They are very happy. Okay. Then recently this guy got after his MTech program, he got in BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, CRL, and we have this guy. He got in DRDO scientist after his MTech from IIT Bombay. But this guy got on GATE score, and this is the lateral entry. So if you want to get job in DRDO, it is based on GATE score. HL posts are permanent. You do not, these guys will be, may reach till director level. If they work hard, these guys are, design trainee. So design trainee can reach up to director, HL director. Is it enough to practice only? Yes, IGC mock exams are enough. And in 2022, what happened? In 2022, HLDT, okay, you guys know, right? In HLDT 2022, there are only two posts, okay, but for those two posts, they like selected 12 people, okay, in written exam. Out of those 12, 8 are IGC students, Miduna. So you can see the 3/4 students which they took all India exams are IGC students. And last year also, they selected 34 students for those 5 or 6 posts. Out of 34, 11 were IGC students. Okay. So that's what, strength of IGC. So we have improved from 33 percentage, this time 67 percentage from IGC. Yeah. So fine. Now you guys can see these are the few feedbacks from our students. Guys might have gone through. So you can see this is my student of 2019 batch. She got awarded Prime Minister Fellowship for her PhD program, direct PhD. So you guys know in Prime Minister Fellowship they get 80,000 per month. Okay, and this RT Nair, she is a HL employee. Okay, so this Sindhu, in fact, she was pursuing masters from MIT Chennai. She joined our classes, and you can see the feedback she got in Mercedes Bench. So the kind of classes we provide in depth learning, and this is how it is used. And today also I got a great news to whom I taught in 2010 or 11. That girl got a senior scientist position in NL. Okay. So she got senior scientist position. Her name is Pallavi Singh. So she started her career with Collins Aerospace after completing masters. Then from Collins Aerospace she joined Boeing, and from Boeing now she joined NL as a senior scientist, Miduna. So of course, when you are from uh, a premier institute, you have lot of things in life to achieve. So and that too, senior scientist lateral entry in NL kind of place where recruitment is very a limited recruitment. And definitely in upcoming days, he will provide a guest lecture at IGC. So when it happens, I will share the recording on you guys can watch. Okay.
Sir, her name is Pallavi Singh, right, sir?
Yeah, Pallavi Singh. She was my student only. You know
Which division, sir, she is working in?
NL. Currently, she joined recently NL.
Division. Do you have any idea which
Division, probably she will be in structures.
structures?
Because,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, sir.
she is from structures.
Mm-hmm. Even I'm also belongs to that area only, but I'm working in aerodynamics.
Okay, then you will be knowing Sambhu Kumar, Sambhu Yadav. Do you know? We have one more, my junior, he is also an NL scientist. He also joined after completing masters from IIT Bombay. There. Both are ASI student from where we have done our BTech.
Okay. That's good to hear, sir.
Yeah. So if you do masters from premium place, definitely many doors will get out, and you don't know where is your destiny. So these are the some feedback. So you guys can go through these all details are provided in brochure, and these are our contact details. So my contact number at IGC is this. These are the mail IDs, our website, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. So we are available on all the places. So earlier days when we were taking offline classes, these were taken in Marathali area in Bangalore, and those were at Hindustan College. But currently we are not taking any offline classes, and our office address is in Panatur, which is also near Marathali. So that's all from this side. Now I'll take you a few things which is on our website. So the first part is important for us. Like we have online test series portal. So you guys can see this portal, and here all the exams will be available. Okay, you guys will get login credentials once you know the exams get due. And another important part, like I'll show you some of the exams. So here at IGC, exams are well structured, and you'll find exams for every topic and then subject, and you know so you can see here mock test. So you can filter for every subject. If you take fluid mechanic itself, you can see all these exams are there. If you take aircraft structures, you will see these are the topic exams. If you take any other subject, aircraft stability, let's take aircraft stability. Yeah, can filter. So these are the exams like available. And if you want to take any, this is the gas dynamics. So if you attend any exams, just go to exam to attend. So here it is exactly get the kind of environment of exam. All three kind of questions will be there, like NAT or this is MSQ question, multiple choice, multiple answer questions. You can see here the time is flying. This is the virtual calculator. So it is very quick, okay? And you will see everything, okay? So this is how exams are there. We have all kind of exams. Once you submit exams, immediately you will get your result. You will get your result published, okay? So just a moment. Yeah, you can see here. So here many important things are given. Like this is how your rank. This is what your result. Value, position. So this is very important. So how much is time you spend for every question, it will be shown. And you have to analyze this very well. You should not over time or overshoot time on any question basically. So you can see, and once like you can see every question what is the correct answer, what is the, if you give wrong answer it will show in the red, if you give correct answer it will be green, and if you don't attend any question it will be white. So this is all, and we don't provide the solution for our exams. Strictly assignment solution is provided, but exam solution is not provided, because instead of providing spoon feeding, we ask students to write themselves or ask us as doubt only. So this is strictly followed. Do we question paper discussion session after the law? Those discussion happens only in WhatsApp groups, okay, mostly, or we will have doubt session. That time you guys can share those questions. But every after every topic we don't have any such session like okay, this exam is there and we have particular session of that there. That is fine. So this is about exam part. Now the next important part is what coaching portal. So this is the IGC's online coaching portal. So here live classes are taken, and you will see the recording of the live class will be also available in the below same class link. So for every subject you will have class link like this, okay, and you have to join class once class starts. Like if I start class, then you have to join this class. Okay, so this is the IGC online coaching. Now, if you want to see the recording, it will be a very good quality recording, HD recording. You will get it. So I'm just showing one of the recording. Yeah, so you guys will see the recording. Okay, so this was taken for HL, okay, course which we have provided. So you can see it's very good and clear. So, or let's see. So let me show you some. Yeah. So this is how the recording will be there, and you guys can watch. Okay. So this was the recording part I found you guys. Okay. So and the last important part is timetable. So you will find the timetable for every week on our website. So you can see this is the Fab batch timetable. So for Fab batch, currently these classes are going on. So you guys can see over here. Okay. So once like May batch starts, we will share the timetable on our website. Okay. So you can see here the timetable of all last 3-4 years available on our website. So which subject is going on, what is the time, who is going to teach, all these details are provided. And other important things on our website, you can find like many things like PSC notification, master's to PhD programs, or you can find the GATE syllabus, GATE question paper. So all these things you can find on the website. And if any things we want to share, we will share through our website. Okay. So at IGC, there are three things: IGC website as well as test series portal. This is link here, and further is this, which is our online coaching. Okay. So any doubt or anything, any concern or doubt, then we will start the next session. I think I am done. I've taken more time than what I thought. Any question or any doubt regarding classes or related to course? Yeah, sure, ask this quickly.
So as you said that there is an online portal for your like academy or all. So once the course finish, let's say once the course finish, so this is one time ID you will give to us, right?
See, everything is valid till GATE 2023.
Okay.
Afterwards, these
Okay.
are not valid. The
Okay. So
subscription will be valid, either recording or test, till GATE
hmm,
2023.
okay. So for once the session ends, hello.
Yeah,
Hello, am I audible?
yeah,
So
you are
once the
audible.
session ends, so you won't be able to access for that recording. That's fine. Not also for study material like notes and all.
No, study material access will be forever.
Forever.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
yeah. Yeah, of course, Tangamotu DRDO scientist interviews already guided. Like last time posted, we always do that. for any interview. In fact, when ISRO exam happen, IGC student will be provided support like HL exam. It will be there. Yeah. Any other question? When we will get assignment question? See, for assignments and all access, you guys have to pay minimum fee. Okay. Once like you pay minimum fee, then you'll get. So that minimum fee is 15,000 to get all access, at least for the till you pay the next due fee. Those who have just paid registration fee, they may not get access. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Yeah. So Nitin sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll start quickly in technical session. Anyone else has any other question, guys? Hopefully, we discuss everything in a brief. Yeah. How many terms we can pay the fee for class? Installment. Installment. Yeah. Others? Okay. All right. So I think done. So I will wind up my part. Yeah, one question is that. Is that question? Another people get using in Chennai or is IGC? Gautam, we have discussed everything. See, at IGC, first place, we are team-based institute, Gautam. We are not like one person or two-person army, Gautam. Of course, that institute was run where, yeah, access supported on both mobile, pen tab, or laptop. You can watch classes or recording on anything. So Gautam, now let's do comparison. See, IGC have provided this brochure. Have any institute provided this kind of brochure? Difference starts from here. Guys, tell me. You guys might have inquired everywhere else, right? Anyone has provided brochure other than IGC in this format? Guys, tell. Everyone will say rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Akash, you have not required to pay anything. I think you have got already access. You have to check your mail. If not, I will do required. Akash, your complete fee is there. No further payment is required. Yeah. So this is the first difference, Gautam. IGC give all the information transparently. Every time we take demo class, we bring our all different team members. They provide their session. That's the first difference. Okay. And here everything is provided. What we do, what we don't do. Okay. First difference. Second difference, IGC is a teamwork, not like one person or two-person teaching everything. Okay. Third thing, we have grown from zero to top within 3 to 4 years. Okay, there are institute 10 plus old year institute, that Chennai Institute, Gotham. Their result has gone down over the years. From last 2 years, they are not getting good result. Why, Gotham? They were top institute, right? Any reason, Gotham? And that Chennai Institute student join our test series. Why? They take more fee, right? They can provide good test series, right? Why not? They are oldest institute, right? Yes or no? They must provide the good test series or not? You guys agree or not? Yeah, you will get recording, Mr. Vijay. So only institute in India, IGC, has a proper test series. When we take less fee, why? See, my student should not join anywhere. That's what my simple way of working. So IGC student never join anywhere here and there. Okay, once they come to IGC. And I'm very happy. Even they want to repeat their gate. Ravi Kiran, are you there? You want to repeat your gate. Your first preference was what? IGC, because they know us. So that's all. That's one more thing. Now, other difference, like we teach everything from scratch. That is the major thing. No institute teaches engineering mechanics, Gautam. IGC only teaches engineering mechanics in India for GATE Aerospace. Then we teach fluid mechanics also. We cover thermodynamics also. And then we move to core subjects like aerodynamics, gas dynamics, propulsion. So got my point. And we also share. It is not like we teach only delta dot V equal to 0 for 3-4 months and then just complete syllabus. Sir, we will be taught 2-3 different subjects. Yes. Saturday, Sunday also at least 2 subjects or 3 subjects will go. Like slots are there. Saturday there are 2 slots, Sunday 2 slots. So every slot 1 subject will be there. Clear? Like 5:30 to 7:30 one slot, then 8:30 to 10:30 one slot in Saturday. Sunday morning 9:30 to 11:30 one slot. And Saturday, do you have, of course. Tangamutu, we keep like always, like to make, course more interesting, interactive. Like one teacher teaches 8-10 hours, you'll get bored, right or wrong? Continuously some same person teaching everything, you will not able to understand. Even the teacher may be very good, so we don't do that practice. We give after every concepts or every class some time to revisit that concepts or class. Clear? So Gautam, I think I have told enough, or should you want to hear more? And one more thing, post-gate guidance. The India's only institute who provide a proper post-gate guidance is only IGC. You guys can check on YouTube. Okay, and you ask any IGC alumni, they will be always there to support you guys. So I don't know other institute about that. Okay, fine. So I think that's all, guys. So thank you, guys, and thank you for giving your time. So let's start now technical part without further delay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. No problem, Gautam. You asked, and I usually try not to tell negative things about others, but since you asked, that's why I don't. So fine, na? It's clear. Our part is what we do. Some people, when we started online classes, some people told in their video what we share PPT and we teach. But now all other institute came to our format because we keep classes very simple. Class need to be interactive. Your all doubts has to be solved. Teachers should explain well, right? These are the simple things or not. What you say, guys? So we work on that only. Okay. So no problem. Thank you. At least people should know. So no problem. Yeah. All right. So Nitin sir, please take up.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, sir. Making you wait for long. Yeah.
No problem, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, hello guys, we are with Mr. Nitin Somasekar. So, he himself was AR 8, right, sir, in GATE
Yes, sir.
2017, which is
Yep.
one of the toughest paper. And later, Nitin sir has done masters from ISC Bangalore, and his area of interest is aerodynamics and CFD, including flight mechanics part. So now, sir, you are presenter. You can share your screen and start.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, hello everyone. Nice to meet you all today.